Okay, you guys have probably seen these sitting on the shelves at your local Walmart or Target. I'm going to open up 3 of the boxes just to see if you guys should buy them or leave them sitting on the shelves. It'll be 3 megas, 36 packs. Click subscribe, and let's go. Alright, let's get into it. Let's see if these really are the leftover junk, or if everybody's missing out. I personally have opened 1 blaster of this, and I pulled a pink, or a redemption for a pink autograph from Jalen Green. So I didn't plan on doing the break on these, but let's see, maybe I'm pulling fire out of here. But I see a ton of these sitting at every single Walmart, every Target. It's one of the only products that just sits there, and then I get more every week. So let's check them out. First card up, Kai Jones, Greg Brown Chronicles. We got a Cade Cunningham Luminance rookie. We got a Davion Mitchell. I think that's Mega exclusive Legacy. And Davion Mitchell Hoops Retro. Jalen Suggs, rated rookie. Kaminga, Hoops. Jackson. So we got 2 of these so far. Isaiah Jackson, Legacy. We've got an Essential Miles Moody. These are not guaranteed anything, I think is a major issue why they sit there. It's kind of been Panini's thing with a lot of this retail stuff. No more guarantees. So IO there. Kevin Johnson, rated rookie. Keon Johnson. Kispert, Hoops, from Legacy, Kispert. And a Recon of IO Desonmu. This packet's open up fairly easy. Davion Mitchell. We got Dayron Sharp, Charles Bassey. We got Flux, Jalen Johnson, Trey Mann, Chronicles. So far, I leave them on the shelves. I did better in a. Oh, I know we're only 3 packs in, but. Then Mobley, rated rookie, Jalen Green, Zaire Williams. Legacy Peon. And we got a Gala, Scotty Barnes. Moses Moody, Hoops. Jalen Johnson. Cameron Thomas. Cameron Thomas, Legacy. Desonmu Recon. I guess that's an orange. Let's see. Color. Yeah, there's oranges in there. Not serial numbered though. Joel. Yagi. In Boston. Legacy, Jalen Johnson, Luka Garza. Okay. Trey Mann, Luka Garza, Moses Moody. We got just a basic Luka Garza select. And we get a Trey Mann Gala. Four more packs? That's a lot of packs. Jalen Johnson, Cameron Thomas, Evan Mobley Luminance. We've got an orange. Josh Christopher Flux. And then an Evan Mobley XR. Got Jalen Green rated rookie. Zaire Williams Hoops. Chris Duarte. Moses Moody. Rispert. Alright, so these boxes are $44.99 at Target. Yeah, the blasters so far are much better. Roquan Gray. Is that the guy's name? Scotty Barnes, rated rookie. Franz Wagner. Evan Mobley. And then we have Orange Essential. Moses Moody. Last pack. The first box. Jaden Springer. Herbert Jones. Jared Butler. Moses Moody Optic. And Jalen Suggs Marquee. Okay, so that was pretty bad. I'll probably leave that one on the shelf. I don't even know. Not sure what's in here. It says Mega Box exclusive. 8 Lego Legacy Rookies. Okay. Great. Box 2. Jaden Springer. Josh Christopher, Jared Butler, Legacy Keon Johnson, Ty Jones rookie, Kai Jones, Greg Brown, Cade Cunningham Hoops. We got a Select Silver Kispert, and then a Zaire Williams Recon, our essentials. Jalen Suggs Chronicles. We've got Kuminga, Isaiah Jackson, Orange Mosaic, Moses Moody, Jalen Green Recon. Desalmu Hoops, Keon Johnson, Kispert, Jalen Johnson Legacy, Greg Brown Hoops. Davian Mitchell, rated rookie. Trey Mann, Charles Bassey, Jalen Green Legacy, Orange Recon, Jalen Johnson. Almost halfway through, nothing to show. Leave them on the shelves. Let them rot. Moses Moody, Jalen Johnson, Cameron Thomas, Kuminga Select, Gala, Kai Jones. Kuminga Chronicles. Isaiah Jackson, Desalmu rated rookie, Legacy Mobley. And an Orange Chronicles Josh Christopher. Keon Johnson. Kispert. Mitchell Luminance. Legacy Mitchell. Gala. Desalmu. I've had enough of all Chronicles UFC. The regular basketball Chronicles from last year I opened. Trey Mann, Bassey, Moody, Jackson, Scotty Barnes, XR. I still have baseball. This year's Baseball Chronicles, I have a bunch of that. Jalen Johnson. Thomas, rated rookie. Mobley Hoops. Suggs Mosaic. And Matthew Hurt. Limits. 2 more packs. We got Jalen Green. Zaire. Limits. Duarte, rated rookie. Kispert. Kaminga, orange. Alright, so we're 2 boxes in. No autographs, no serials. Nothing even semi-rare, I don't think. Brandon Boston. Scotty Barnes. Wagner. Thomas. And Kispert Markey. Okay, this is going well. But hopefully this will save somebody. Let's save one person money on this. I knew they weren't great, but every store to have 8 to 10 of them. They're megas, come on. This is pretty brutal. What does the hobbies have in them? Do they have hobby this stuff? Evan Mobley, Jalen Green, Zaire, Suggs, and Jalen Johnson orange. 11 more to end this. Duarte, Boston, Barnes, Wagner, and Zaire, Marquis. Wagner, Lumens, Springer, rated rookie, Christopher Hoops, got a Mitchell, orange, Prism, select, Jalen Green, essentials, Butler, Kai Jones, Greg Brown, Moody and Thomas. Cunningham, Suggs, Kaminga, Mobley, and I can see Kai Jones orange. God. Let it be over. Jackson, DeSomno, Johnson, Springer Optic, Kai Jones Recon. Christopher, Butler, Kai Jones, Zaire Legacy, Bassey orange. Almost over. Thank God. This is, oh, looks like we got something coming up though. Backwards card. Got Nehemiah Waita. Is that the name? Nehemiah Waita. Kate Hunter Cunningham, rookie, rated. We got on the back Selma Recon. Legacy Scotty Barnes, a pretty solid pack, actually. And we got an autograph of LJ Figueroa. So, first time we've seen this dude. He's out of Oregon. Not even in the set except for that autograph. Probably not a good sign. Never heard of him and no other cards of him. Suggs, Kaminga, Jackson, Salmo, and then Gallus, Scotty Barnes. 3 more. So there's nothing serial numbered in this set. The Salmo rated rookie, Keon Johnson, Kispert, Scotty Barnes, Mosaic, Moody Orange, Luminance. We've got David Mitchell, Trey Mann, Charles Bassey, Kaminga Legacy, Orange, Jalen Green, Marquee, Merciful, and here, last pack. God, Moses Moody, Cameron Johnson, Cameron Thomas rated rookie, Legacy Kai Jones, and Cameron Thomas XR. Okay, I hope you got your answer there. My answer is leave them on the damn shelves. That was pretty nasty. So they're sitting there for a reason. I guess don't touch them.